Hey guys, and welcome back to Celeb Plant. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard insane court facts. But before we begin with today's topic, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Johnny Depp is battling Amber Heard in a bitter court battle in which fresh information is revealed and new accusations are hurled on each day of the trial. The defamation action, which was first filed in 2019, began on April 11th, with opening comments the next day setting the tone for the dramatic courtroom battle that was about to begin. Depp's lawyers claimed that Heard was making charges in order to paint her ex-husband in a negative light, and Heard's lawyers accused Depp of sexual aggression through their marriage. Among other things, the complaint was filed nearly 6 years after Heard filed for divorce from Depp, citing irreconcilable differences. On May the 25th, 2016, following 15 months of marriage. Days later, Heard was given a temporary restraining order against Depp following an incident in which Heard claims Depp physically assaulted her, an allegation Depp has consistently denied. As part of their divorce settlement, which was finalized in January 2017, Depp was required to pay Heard $7 million, which she opted to give to a number of organizations. But that would be far from the end of the former couple's legal squabbles. With Depp's $50 million defamation case in full force, ET is delving into what prompted the action and what has emerged during the judicial battle. Depp initially sued Heard for defamation in March 2019 in reaction to an op-ed Heard wrote for the Washington Post in December 2018 about being a victim of domestic violence. The piece did not mention Depp by name, but their bitter divorce in 2016 had been in the headlines for the previous 2 years. Depp says in the suit that Heard's allegations of abuse against him were an elaborate fraud. Depp claims that the op-ed harmed his career. He claims that 4 days after the op-ed was published, he was fired from Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. Despite the fact that Heard never addressed Depp by name in the article, the lawsuit argues that the essay is based on the basic premise that Miss Heard was a domestic abuse victim and that Mr. Depp perpetrated domestic violence against her. While Depp initially filed in 2019, the subsequent coronavirus pandemic considerably delayed the case. Heard's lawyer, Ben Rodenborn, stated in the opening statements, which were televised on court TV, that Heard suffered abuse in various kinds, including physical, emotional, and psychological assault. Heard's lawyer claimed that Heard suffered abuse that took many forms, including physical, emotional, and psychological. The headline for the online version of Heard's op-ed read, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath." That has to change. Rodenborn claimed that Heard did not write the headline herself, nor was she given final approval for it. However, the attorney alleged of the headline, "Tragically, it's true." Christy Dembrowski, the actor's sister and personal manager, was the first to testify refuting Heard's claims that Depp was abusive. According to Dembrowski, she observed Depp being physically tortured and injured by their mother, and Depp swore he would never do such violence. She also stated that she saw no reason to believe Depp struggled with drug or alcohol addiction. On cross-examination, Dembrowski struggled to connect her defense of Depp's mental health with text messages she sent expressing concern about his use of pain drugs. On April 13th, Depp's longtime friend and neighbor Isaac Baruch testified, claiming that he'd only ever witnessed the couple arguing twice, once in person and once over the phone. Baruch claimed that Heard told him once that Depp had thrown a phone at her and smacked her in the face, but he could not observe any visible marks on Heard's face when he visited her the next day. On the fourth day of the trial, April 14th, Kate James, Heard's former personal assistant, painted a pretty unfavorable picture of her former boss. James' testimony was part of a pre-recorded deposition that was shown to the jury. She said that she never saw any proof that Depp assaulted or injured Heard and that she was constantly presented as Heard's assistant. On day 4, Laurel Anderson, a marriage counselor who saw the former couple for 4 sessions, entered the stage and offered her story of what she believed she saw from the couple in the brief time she worked with them. Dr. David Kipper, Depp's personal doctor, and Debbie Lloyd, Depp's nurse, testified in video depositions as court reconvened on Monday regarding a 2015 incident, in which the tip of Depp's middle finger was slashed off. On April 19th, the actor entered the stand and stated that the charges of abuse brought against him were not grounded in any sort of reality. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.